While Commissioner Guanzon did not identify who or where the interference in the Marcos case is coming from, she told our correspondent Ina Reformina to speak to former Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Sal Panelo about it. In a statement, Panelo said President Duterte has never interfered with the functions of the constitutional bodies. Attorney Panelo now joins us here on the program. Attorney Panelo, good afternoon to you. Welcome to the program. Thanks for joining us today.
Good afternoon, Armenia. Good afternoon.
All right, first question. What do you know about this political interference that Commissioner Guanzon is talking about?
Well, first, let me say that I do not know whether or not Commissioner Guanzon told you about our conversation. Number one, that particular statement of Commissioner Guanzon is alarming in the sense that there appears to be some interference coming from, she has not identified the person, but regardless of who that may be, I think that's alarming because this is a constitutional body and nobody should interfere, persuade, coerce, influence, or pressure any member of the Commission on Election to resolve the disqualification case one way or the other. My position at the inception of this petition is very clear. I said then, and I'm saying it now, that it is unfair for Senator Ferdinand Marcos Jr., as well as the petitioner and the electorate, for Comelec not to resolve this case immediately. This is a very simple case of a legal issue arising from a previous conviction of the former senator. Now, it does not require any documentary evidence or testimonial evidence, except only with respect to the law concerned. The issue is very simple, Carmina. Is he disqualified under the law? The issue is, was there a conviction? And if there is a conviction, is the accessory penalty includes perpetual disqualification from office. And that will apply only if the crime convicted or the crime involves moral turpitude.
Okay, Attorney, I'm sorry to cut you there, Attorney Panelo, but now that we have this situation wherein, if you believe Commissioner Guanzon, the decision is being held hostage by Commissioner Ferolino, what can you say about that? That there is now a delay in making the decision public because Commissioner Ferolino is nowhere to be found. She seems to be missing in action, if you believe Commissioner Guanzon.
As I said, there is no reason, no sane reason for a delay in the resolution of this case. It is outrageous for anyone to interfere. The president of this country has never interfered in any constitutional body. In fact, this president has never even interfered with the departments of his own departments.
If that is the case, Attorney Panelo, do you have reason to believe that whoever this influential politician is that he or she is acting on his or her own?
Definitely, because the president will never allow nor tolerate anyone using his name or making it appear that he or she is under the instruction of this president.
Do you know who this influential politician is, Attorney Panelo?
Commissioner Guanzon has to identify that politician.
You say that Commissioner Guanzon as well should be left alone. But now we're hearing from Attorney George Briones of Partido Federal saying that he is now calling on the Comelec to investigate the commissioner, even calling on her to get disbarred. What are your thoughts on that?
Well, that is for the particular agency or court to decide. I will not intrude into that. That is another legal issue that will be resolved. So I'd rather not say anything about it. Attorney George Briones has the right to say whatever he's saying now because he is supposed to be representing the former senator.
Tell me something, Attorney Panelo. Was it right for Commissioner Guanzon to reveal her vote pending the resolution of the matter?
We have to ask Commissioner Guanzon, what's the purpose for revealing her statement? I cannot fathom as of this time her rationale for doing so. There must be a reason for doing that.
But do you think it serves the purpose of the electorate, or even both sides, that she revealed her vote on the matter?
I don't know about that. What I want is that this case must be resolved immediately, as in immediately, even today. There is no reason for them to delay it. If they have already made the decision, then out with it.
Attorney Sal, do you think that Commissioner Guanzon should be disbarred because of this?
Again, that is not mine to decide. That is a legal issue, and we will have to let the particular agency or court to decide on that.
You said a while ago that Commissioner Guanzon should reveal the identity of this influential politician. You also said that the president, in so many words, does not condone any such action. That he has been against any interference from the very beginning. But knowing that now that there is interference that's happening, if you believe Commissioner Guanzon, what is your message to that politician, that influential politician who has been meddling with the case, Attorney Panelo?
Well, my message to all, and that includes everybody, regardless of their political affiliation, we have to abide by the rule of law, due process. We have to wait for this decision to come out. We cannot be interfering, we cannot be intruding, we cannot be persuading, pressuring, or whatever, any kind of action that will put the commissioners to decide one way or the other. Let us respect the law. What the law says, as the president says, let the law take its course.
All right, we're going to have to leave it at that. Attorney Sal Panelo, former Chief Presidential Legal Counsel of President Duterte. Thank you, Attorney Panelo, for joining us today. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Bob, for having me.